风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。Alice， 我们这个月都要教打电话的一些状况。
打电话
呀，比如说你回家
要报平安呢。
对。Let's teach you how to tell people that you have arrived home safely when you go out and return home. 安全到家后，记得打电话报平安哦。
安全到不下口。
安全到不下口。
記得打電話。
記得打電話。
報平安哦。
報平安哦。Okay, 報平安就是報平安。That means to tell people that you arrived safely where at home. 安全到家。
安全到不下。
安全到不下。That means arriving home safely. 或者是另外打电话，常常就是要预约啊，
对，
或者说现在天气冷了，可能要看病啊。OK， 我已经打电话到诊所预約哦。I already called the clinic for a reservation.
嗌基建打電話到診所醫藥
醫藥就是預約 right? That's a reservation. Again, this month we're teaching you about situations when you call 打電話 and there you have it. Thank you for listening.
是母太家
是誰張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.